he threw it at you. By the way, in case you do not know, according to Islam, thunder, the lightning you see in the sky, is what? Who wanna help me? What is thunder? Anyone wanna help me? What is the thunder according to the Quran? Anyone remember? As long as they are talking about rain, and what is the thunder? Thunder in the Quran? No, he's an angel. If you go to chapter 13, verse number 13 in the Quran, you will see the Quran says that thunder is an angel who praise Allah. And they asked the Prophet about what about the fire belt we see. He said this is a fire belt, he beat the cloud with it. So thunder is an angel, and he beat the cloud with the fire belt. Makes sense. I mean, come on, let us go and see the interpretation, so people will not say I'm making things up. Chapter 13, verse 13. All right. Okay. Look here. By the way, the translation here, Ibn Athir in English, is not the same as Ibn Kathir in Arabic, and I will show you. The thunder. Abdullah ibn Zubayr used to hear the thunder. He would stop talking and would supplicate, all praise be to whom a rad, a thunder, glorifies and praise. Okay. Where is the... They took it off. I don't see. I mean, hold on. Where is the... Where is... As usual. Yeah, they took it off. Let us try to get them busted, because I can show in Arabic, but you know, we have to show you in English because you guys don't speak English. I mean Arabic. Let us go to different website. Hold on. What we can do? Our duty to get them busted. Read with me carefully. Here we go. At least here they did not hide it and cut off the text. And the thunder, he is an angel. Do you see it, guys? Do you see it? No, I don't want you just to trust me. No, here we are. This is a school. This is not a trust me. It's not about trust me, my friend. It's about a school. A teacher, a good teacher, if he want to share something with you, he have to prove it. Otherwise, maybe he's making things up. Don't trust. You have, show me. Don't say you know, no, show us. So he is an angel who is in charge of the cloud. Why the Muslim don't put in the article that Allah is the only one discovered that Mr. Thunder is an angel? Why they did not add that in the article? Here we go. The only one who discovered this is Allah. Mr. Thunder is an angel. He is in charge of the cloud. Like he is the cloud shepherd, driving them while constantly proclaim his praise. That he says, look what he says. He says, but in his language, you know, the language of the thunder. Glory be to Allah through his praise. Subhanallah. He speak in Arabic. Even the thunder, he speak Arabic. Do you see it? Subhanallah walhamdulillah. So when you hear the thunder, you know what to say. I mean, this is, I mean, do you see how they lie to you? What is stupid? They make it science. Do you see how they switch stupidity into in miraculous way into science? This is a miracle. This is really a miracle. Let me introduce to you Mr. The angel of Allah. Do you hear the thunder? He's praising Allah now. What do you want more proof? This is proven scientifically to be true. Ask any scientist. He will tell you right away that thunder is an angel of Allah. When he make the sound, he is speaking in Arabic saying Subhanallah. What's wrong with you people? Listen, here we go. Subhanallah. I heard it me myself. I speak Arabic. But because you are a kuffar, you cannot hear it, you cannot understand it. I can hear it. I speak Arabic very well. Here he's saying shut up in Arabic. And so two angels proclaim his praise in a way of him. By the way, I want to go to Ibn Kathir in Arabic. Hold on, I don't know. I want to show you where it says that they explain how like it's like a symphony. You see those like Shakespeare, they play like or Mozart, and there's like 100 people playing. It's exactly the same, but the bigger number. Let me go to Ibn Kathir in Arabic just to show you the huge difference between Arabic books and English books. English books translation is a false translation, and they cut off what is written there. All right. It's reported by Ali that when the thunder he make a sound, he is saying praise be to Allah, praise be to He. Okay, let us continue. Pa, 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 pa. Pa, 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 pa. I'm trying to find you where is the reference which we want to read. All of this is, by the way, is funny and lovely, but it's a long thing to translate. I'm not sure. They always try to hide the madness in their books, but it doesn't work with me. Let us see here. Because it should say that there is 70,000 angel in the right side of the hand of the angel of the thunder, or the one who is his name is Thunder, another 70 in his left hand. So when he move his belt to the right, 70,000 they scream, and when he move his hand to the left, 70,000 they scream. All right. I cannot find it in this website until now. And I don't like to mention something without showing it in the screen. Give me a second. We better show it so people can see it. Here we go. You see, like, sometime it might take some time to find things, but it's better to find it better than you see. Look, let me show you. I'm reading the same book here in the front of me, but I cannot find it in this website. The same book. I cannot find where it says that. I flip page by page. I don't see where it says 70,000 angel in the right, 70,000 angel in the left. You see, I'm reading again just to be sure. I don't see it. But if we go to the original book, here we go. Let me show you. This is a Jami' li-Ahkam al-Quran, volume number 9. Look what it says here. He said that the thunder, they praise be Allah, they say praise be to Allah. Okay, and the thunder is an angel who is sitting on a chair between the sky and the earth. Let me highlight it so you can see with me. So he's a thunder. The thunder is an angel who is sitting on a chair between the sky and the earth, and in his right there is 70,000 angel, and in his left there is the same number, which means 70,000. So if he move his hand, the right hand, or to the right side, he prays, and all of those who they are in the right, they praise from the fear of Allah. They are not praising Allah because they love Allah, but because they are terrified from Allah. It's like they are chicken. And if he move to the left, he prays, and the other 70,000, all of them, they praise by the fear of Allah. Do you see it, Muslims? Now who Muslim want to say to me I'm lying? Okay, so why we don't see those things in the articles the Muslims they make about science, that the thunder is in the Quran is an angel of Allah? And this is not metaphorical, by the way. They can't say, because as you see, even the Muslim scholar, they are saying he is an angel. All right, what else? When the Muslim they speak about the atmosphere, where the atmosphere started according to the Quran, anyone knows? Anyone knows where is the atmosphere started? Who knows? Water? No, there's no atmosphere in the Quran. Look what the Quran says. The Quran claims that the sky is 7 skies. So where is the atmosphere, Muslims? Do we have any Abdul? Where we can find the atmosphere? Let me show you how the easiest way to get them busted. Until now, how many mistakes we show? tons of mistakes, but one more will not change anything. The Quran confirmed that Allah created from the sky 7 and he created 7 earth too. 7 skies. But hold on, is the lowest sky is the atmosphere? In different article the Muslim they say yes, the lowest sky is the atmosphere. How we can prove that this cannot be true? Anyone knows? Chapter 42 verse number 12, it says that the lowest sky is where the stars are located. Do you see it? There's no other skies, that's it. There's 7 skies. So what is the atmosphere? If the lowest sky is the atmosphere, Allah claimed that this is the only place where the stars are located. Do you see it? Who is a Muslim he agree with this? Any Muslim agree with this madness? Look, let me show you what this guy is saying, just to show you the ignorance of the Muslims. Just to show you the ignorance of the Muslims. CP in 13:13 ayah means that the thunder declare the glory to Allah and his praise. That does not imply that the thunder is an angel. The verse saying it's an angel. Do you know how to read? And not only I'm not the one who's saying that, it's your scholars. I mean, you see the Muslims, you show them in the front of their eyes, you give them the reference, you give them the book name, and then they say to me, CP, it does not say that. Let us read again. Abdul, let us read again. I am not the one saying that. Here we go. Try not to laugh at your your religion. Don't tell me it does not. Who are you? You don't even know how to read Arabic, yet you want to explain the Quran for us. And the thunder is an angel who is in charge of the cloud. Who is talking? Al-Jalalain. Now I want your majesty, as long you are smart, and Al-Jalalain is a donkey. That's what you are saying to me, that you are smart, and Al-Jalalain, who wrote tons of Islamic books, big, one of the most smart Muslims ever. Actually, I have to admit, this guy is really a genius. I have to admit. Forget about the stupidity here, but compared to the rest of the Abdul, we cannot compare. This guy is really a big brain, but he is infected by the virus of Islam. It's the same as 2:12. What 2:12? Read it in front of you. And the Quran says, وَيُسَبِّحُ الرَّعْدُ بِحَمْدِهِ وَالْمَلَائِكَ مِنْ خِيفَتِهِ. The ra'd and the angels, they are praising Allah. Okay, is that metaphorical? No. The ra'd is an angel, and he is the chief of the angels who are made to scream. The tree and the sun and the moon, they are not. Hold on, no. According to Islam, trees are living creatures and even stones, and they say to your prophet, Assalamu alaikum. Do you remember the hadith? Which is proving that Muhammad is a madman. Muhammad, when he walked in the valley, he heard the stone saying to him, Assalamu